Hi, 5th graders. This is Miss Sin back, and now I'm going to read the last energy sources for you to listen to. This is to finish your chart that you started on April 28th and 29th. So, first one that I'll read here starts with wind. Fill in the chart as you go. Wind is caused by the uneven heating of the Earth's surface by the sun. During the day, the air above the land heats up faster than the air above water, such as oceans and lakes, making the air above the water cooler and heavier. The uneven heating of the air is due to the Earth being made up of different surfaces and elevations, such as oceans, lakes, rivers, forests and jungles, deserts and mountains. The warm air over the land expands, those particles move apart, and they rise, they go up. Hot air rises. The cooler air from the water rushes in to take the place as the warmer air is going up, and that's why you get wind, moving air. Other source I found, on Earth, the main differences in air pressure are caused by differences of temperature. The cool air produces high air pressure, and warm air produces low air pressure. So this is what you need to think about. Warm air wants to rise. When the air rises, cool air moves in and replaces the warm air, causing wind. That's wind. Fill in your chart about wind.